What we can learn about ISU as a community can be dependent on a few things. The first thing is that it depends on how you live and where you live. If you live with friends or if you live by yourself or if you live on campus versus off campus. It depends on your classes, depends on what class you take. Like the gender and sexuality classes, those could either help you or those could hurt you.
Yeah, like living on campus versus off campus. When you're on campus or you're in dorms or something, you're forced to be around a lot of people and you maybe more feel like less confident to be yourself, and you're put more pressure on you. But when you live off campus and you live in your own apartment or something, you can be whoever you want to be.
Yeah.
It just really depends on the building you live in. Like if you live in a religious place, like the dorms next to the Newman Center are called the Newman dorms, and if you live there, being gay it's not well accepted.
No, not at all.
Some of your professors here at ISU can really either help you or they can hurt you depending on the professor. Some professors are all about being fluid and dealing with gender and sexuality. Other professors don't know how to handle it.
Being a straight male, I don't ever really have to think about any of this, or that speaks for itself. That shows just how the environment is for someone like me or whoever.
There's definitely like certain professors you can tell they're definitely with the times more. They're more about social issues, especially surrounding gender and sexuality. For the most part, that's how most of my professors have been, and
same.
I don't see any reason why that shouldn't be the trend that they should follow, because there's no real downside to that.
But then I'm going to play devil's advocate and play with the professors who are not accepted with like gays or bi or trans or any of those other sexualities.
Usually the older you are now, it's less progressive.
Yeah.
There's a lot to do with background.
Yeah, exactly.
Probably just type of raised.
Yeah. And it's coming from a straight female. Like, I gotta worry about a man coming up to me and like sexually assaulting me, or I gotta worry about somebody coming up to me and hitting on me.
Exactly, yeah. As a male, like when you're out at a party, you're out socializing, you never even have to think about that. It's just, not a problem for you.
It's very infrequent for men. It does happen. Not as likely for a woman, not even close to as much potential for that to happen. But we can't downplay that. It does happen to some men, but definitely for women, a lot more.
Yeah, most definitely. I would say that it does happen a lot more to women.
Oh, yeah.
Because women are mostly attacked. But it does happen to gay guys. I know that some gay guys do get attacked. Or if you're trans or something. I know that there's been a trend, not here on campus, well, I know there's a couple examples on campus of where a trans person was attacked and that person was expelled because ISU is a strictly respect for everybody university, and I completely agree with that.
Yeah.
So, and I would say that the conclusion of this video is that we wanted to show the experience of being gay versus straight, where you live, where you don't live, the people you live with, your friends, your classes, and your professors.
They're all factors that can affect how you live at ISU.